Hi everyone, my name is Jayanti and I'm from Train Guru Educare Private Limited. Today we will be talking and getting to know a little more about IELTS. Are you looking at moving abroad, settling down, finding a job, or do you want to study outside your country? In that case, IELTS is the answer. At Train Guru, we are starting a web series on tricks and tips of IELTS exam and how you can look at cracking the exam at an 8+ band score, also at one go. And here today is our introductory session on what is IELTS all about. It is International English Language Testing Services, and it is one of the most accepted exams for anyone who is a non-native and looking to study in any of the countries which is a native English university, or living in a country which is in the western part of the world. It has 4 sections, and each of these sections are further subdivided. However, there are 2 major differences between the people who are looking at going into academics or higher studies. They will need to take on the academic exam. And if you're looking at just moving and settling down or finding a job, then you can try for the general exam. So IELTS typically is divided into 2 subsections. One is academic and the other is general. And each of these are further subdivided into 4 different sections, which is your pattern to check: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each of these sections have subsections to them. It could be 3 or 4 subsections in each of the sections. Listening is typically 30 minutes plus 10 minutes and 40 questions. Each of these sections, from section 1 to section 4, the complexity level increases in case of listening, whether academic or general. However, for speaking, which is a 3 to 4 section one-on-one interview, that is, it is typically an in-person interview wherein it is taken anywhere between 12 to 17 minutes, depending on how your interaction goes. Then we come across to the reading section, which again has 3 to 4 sections. More or less likely you get 3 sections over a period of 60 minutes. These are passages and paragraphs, and then there are comprehension questions in and around it. Similarly, we have writing task, which is typically 2 tasks. Task 1 and task 2, whether academic or general, and it is again done over 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. This is overall a basic knowledge about how the exam pattern is, and in our next video we will go ahead and talk deep down, dive deep down into every section and give you real-time fantastic tricks which can actually help you once you implement to clear or crack IELTS at 8+ band score at the first go that you try for the exam. Thank you.